Hello everyone, this is Linda. So I'm getting my grow table together, even though, I've had some plants a while, but I have just some that is here that I've already had, but I'm getting this grow table together. I'm going to drop more peppers and tomato seeds. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today, family. Yeah. But I'm going to go around. I have some more cups in another part of the garden. I'm going to get it, and I'm going to get them together. Now, I do have some garden fabric. Garden fabric here. I have a couple of rolls, and I'm going to lay it down here right in front of this little grow table, simply because, yeah, I don't want to step in mud every time I come over here. I'm going to put some cardboard down, and then I'm going to put some garden fabric here just to give me a cool space to stand, when I'm over here and sit, because that's what I'm doing, But I've been just cleaning up over here and getting rid of pots that have done all that they can do, but it's time for them to go, So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to share that with you all this morning. But let me walk around with you. I'm going to share some plants that I have that is growing, baby. They're growing. This is a little container that Jada planted lettuce in, and they're doing good. They're coming up. They've been out here in all this cold, so yes, they're going to be slow, but that's okay. They're slow, but they're rising, baby. They're rising. So, of course, this is the little bed that I have mullein and blueberries in, and the blueberries are waking up, baby. They're waking up. It's really cool. And this one, oh yeah, she's doing good. She's waking up. Yeah, that's the blueberries. Now, this is 1,000-head kale. I'm going to take them all out. I'm going to harvest the leaves that is good, and I'm going to take them out because I do have plans for this little side of this raised bed, right? It's one raised bed, but I kind of split it into two. So you're going to hook it up. So this is my orange tree, my mandarin orange tree, and yeah, she putting on new leaves, and that's always a good sign. There's a pear tree, and as you can see, she is waking up. She's waking up. Oh yeah, she's looking good. Very good. I'm happy about this. And this is one of my Maya lemons, and she had a visitor. Yeah, she had a visitor. There's a couple of them over here, so there's another one. Oh. Don't be shy. Oh my God, there's a lot of them. Ooh, hey, hold on, baby. Hold on. Yeah, they're flying around up here. So there's bees flying around out here. And of course, these blooms smells amazing, y'all. They smell amazing. My oriental pear, yeah, she's doing good. Really good. I was really concerned about them when we had that freeze, y'all. Yeah. It's about 1:30 in the afternoon. So this is my second bed. This is my Creole Red onions. And this is the Texas Sweets. So both of the grow bags are filled with onions. So they are a short day onions. It takes 105 days for to harvest, right? So they put this bed at Mother's Day, and this bed is a couple days after, but Mother's Day is the day to harvest. All right, guys, these are the Texas Sweets and the Creole girls over there. Yay! All right, thank you, Sheryl and Chris. I appreciate you all. But we gonna do it again. Oh, I'm excited. I had a great time. I came out early this morning and dropped these onions early this morning. So I have put down some cardboard and garden fabric, just something for me to stand right here in front of this grow table. And it get a little muddy over here, so I want it to be nice when I stand over here. So here she is. But I hope you have been having a good day. I am now going in. It's getting late in the evening. But I want to thank you all for coming over to the live on last night. It was really nice. I enjoyed myself. I thank you all for just coming in and just talking with Morris Family Studios. What a beautiful book she wrote, right? But anyway, guys, I want to thank you all. You all have a good night. I'll see you all in the next video. Later, y'all.